Is your chimney or brickwork showing its age? Whether it's cracked or crumbling or just looking worse for wear, you're definitely in the right place because repairing masonry is exactly what my company does. Your chimney and brickwork aren't just decorative, they're also vital to your home's safety and structure. But keeping them in good shape can be tricky, and finding a company that's both skilled and reliable, that can feel like a tall order. I'm John, and here at Joyland, we've helped countless homeowners in Lancaster and the surrounding counties restore their chimneys and brickwork to look great and function perfectly. Whether it's repairing cracks or rebuilding a damaged chimney or restoring aged brick, my team focuses on precision and lasting results, and that's why we've earned hundreds of 5-star reviews from happy customers like you. Here's how it works. Call us or fill out the form, and we'll schedule your inspection as soon as possible. My masonry experts will carefully assess your damage, recommend the best course of action, and provide a clear, upfront quote right then and there. And here's the best part. You don't pay a penny until the job is done and you're completely happy with the results. And that's my personal guarantee. So call us now or fill out the form, and let's get started on restoring your chimney or brickwork to what it should be.